This is where beginners get stuck. They know they want to make money online. They know they want to start affiliate marketing, but they freeze when it comes to one question. What product would I even promote? And I see people overthink this to the point where they don't start at all. So in this video, I want to walk you through the two best ways to choose an affiliate product in plain language. No hype, no pressure. If you've been stuck here, this is for you because I want you to know that there isn't just one right product for everyone, but there is a right approach depending on where you are in your life right now. And most everything falls into one of these two categories. Way number one is share what you've already used or been through. This is the most obvious one, but people dismiss it really fast, really quickly sometimes. This is where you just share products that you already use, or you share an experience that you've already walked through. This could be anything like your favorite shoes, a book that you've read more than once, a course that changed you, a system that solved a problem for you. And here's why this works so well. You're not trying to convince anyone of anything. You're just telling the truth about your experience. You're saying, this is what I tried. This is what worked for me. This is what I wish I had done sooner. That's it. You don't need a big audience. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need perfect results. You just need to have real experience. People trust real experience more than polished marketing every single time. Because if you've ever helped a friend by saying, hey, this really helped me, you already understand affiliate marketing at its core. Okay. You've already done affiliate marketing. You probably just haven't gotten paid for it. And if you're thinking, but I'm not far along enough yet, sorry, I'm not far enough along yet, or I'm not an expert, or I'm not perfect. That's usually not very true, first of all, because to help someone, you only need to be one or two steps ahead of them. You don't have to be a super successful person. Way number two is when you invite people on a journey that you are just beginning. This is how I got started. And this is also where a lot of beginners win faster. This happens when you know you need a change in your life. Maybe you know you need to lose weight, or you know you need to start eating healthier, or maybe you know that you need to improve your relationship with your husband or your kids, or maybe you've got financial problems and you know they need to be addressed. Okay. You are saying, I'm going to go on this journey, and you're simply inviting people to go on the journey with you. You're not pretending that you have it all figured out. You're not positioning yourself as the expert. You're just saying, I'm starting this. I'm learning. I'm committing to it. So come with me. Watch me. I'll be sharing the good, the bad, the ugly, my results, my failures, all of it. And this works because people don't want a guru. They want someone they can relate to, someone who's honest, who's kind of early, and who's figuring it out in real time. And the more honest you are, the better people are going to respond to you. Just think about it. If you're overwhelmed, who feels safer for you to follow? Someone 10 steps ahead of you who talks in jargon that you don't even understand and who makes you feel like really you don't know anything at all, or someone one step ahead who just explains what they're doing simply in ways that you understand, in ways that feel doable. That's the power of documenting instead of teaching, because you're not selling a product, you're just sharing a decision. And the product just becomes part of the journey. It's not the spotlight. I do want you to avoid this common mistake, because here's what I don't want you to do. I don't want you to wait until everything is perfect, because there's never a perfect time to do anything. Don't wait until you feel ready. That never happens either. Or maybe it happens occasionally, but it doesn't last. All right. And also, don't wait until you hit some imaginary milestone. Most people don't fail because affiliate marketing doesn't work. They fail because they never pick a direction. They never get clarity on how to move forward. Both of these paths that I've just shown you work. What matters now is that you choose one and move forward. And here's something else you should know. If you choose the wrong way or the wrong product, you didn't fail, you learned. Successful people are the people who learn to fail faster. Nobody is perfect when they get started. So give yourself some grace, all right? Also, I failed big time when I first started with affiliate marketing. Just started promoting a random product because I knew I needed to promote something, but I had no idea what I wanted to promote. So instead of staying stuck, I just chose something, and it was a pet product. I wasn't passionate about it. I had never used it, none of that. Okay. But I knew I needed to get started. I promoted that product for about 2 weeks, and I learned a lot. I learned how to build a funnel and emails. I learned how to create content, all those things. But then I realized after about 2 weeks, I did not want to talk about pet products. I really wanted to share what I was learning about passive income because I was on my journey. And honestly, if you've ever watched a video from me talking about passive income, I had no idea what it was until I was 35. I was passionate about being angry that nobody taught me about passive income until I was 35. And so I just started making content about what it was, how to create it, and what I was doing. When I started sharing that journey, people naturally followed me. Not because I had all the answers, but because every day I just showed up and I shared what I was learning. There was nothing special about me. I was just consistent and open about what I was going through and what I was learning. So now I want to know in the comments, which way do you think you're going to go? And remember, there's not a wrong answer. The only thing that you can do wrong in response to this video is continue to stay stuck. So put 1 in the comments, or you can tell me what the thing is that you already know you love that you want to start sharing, or put a 2 in the comments, which will be sharing your journey. And if you already know what journey you need to go on, share it in the comments. And remember, you don't have to know everything to start. You just need to start honestly. If you enjoyed this video and you are not a part of my free school community, go join my community now. I will leave the link below. I'd love to share more with you about how to make money online for beginners with affiliate marketing.